Hey guys, this is Trey, the General Manager of Squeegee Squad here in Tulsa. Today we're talking about some comparisons between how we operate as a company and how most window cleaning companies operate. To be honest, we understand that most people kind of view window cleaning as a dirty, unorganized industry. And we see it all the time, whether it's safety violations that are blatant, people that don't show up when they say they're going to show up, people that leave a job site without finishing it and then come back to it. We don't operate that way. So we want to talk a little bit about what most people have probably experienced in the past and what makes us different. So talking about how most window cleaning companies historically operate, oftentimes if you call up a window cleaner, they are doing a lot of services. They are doing commercial window cleaning, residential window cleaning, pressure washing, gutter cleaning, and a lot of other services too. Why that's important? What happens oftentimes is that their technicians learn how to do a lot of jobs very average or mediocre because they don't specialize in any one thing. What you're also going to see in a lot of the window cleaning industry is what we call a job-to-job mindset, meaning they're always chasing the next thing because they don't have something on their schedule already. We don't like that around here. We like consistency. Unfortunately, this industry for some reason just doesn't seem to embrace that standard across the board. The other thing that you're going to see a lot of times with most window cleaning companies is a lot of ambiguity or lack of transparency around things like insurance and also training and certifications. Why is that? To be frank, a lot of times they don't want to put the time, money, and resources into doing it correctly. We see a lot of times that a company will get an insurance policy and then cancel it to save money. They do only in-house training and don't do any kind of third-party verification because it saves them money. And that's unfortunate, but it's just kind of the reality of this industry, and we would like to try to be the change in that. So let's dive into now what makes us different. So I've mentioned predictable excellence in a prior video talking about problems and risk. Our operating model here is called predictable excellence, and it's literally a manual for all of our technicians that they test and quiz on all the time. They sign off on it whenever they become an employee here. Predictable excellence means that everything within Squeegee Squad is standardized. So from day one, whenever we hire a technician, we have their training plan already set up. They know step by step what comes next in terms of training, and not only how to train correctly, but also how to advance themselves in our company. So now we can talk about how we operate as a company. We don't like chaos. We don't like inconsistency. That's why everything here at Squeegee Squad is standardized. So we've documented processes for just about everything from training to job site actions to how we do things in the office. What you can expect from us is that we are consistent over trying to do things fast. In addition to talking about our standardized processes and predictable excellence within this company, the other thing that really sets us apart, in our opinion, is our accountability systems and then our communication systems. So in terms of accountability, whenever we're doing work in the field, our operations supervisors and our lead technicians are doing job site quality checks and checklists and getting signatures from you guys at every single business place that they're cleaning, because that ensures that there's layers of accountability to it. So technicians do their job the right way, lead technician makes sure they did their job the right way, and then the operations supervisor has kind of a 3,000 bird's eye view of everything, making sure that the whole system is working together all at once. Communication, guys, we will communicate with you as little or as much as you want. If you need to know every time that before we come out that we're coming that way, we can set that up. If you're okay with us getting it set up on a monthly schedule and then not hearing from us again except whenever we send an invoice, we can do that too. We can guarantee that whether it's a sales call or some kind of customer issue, we will call you back within 24 hours after you leave a message with us. So what we hope that you have learned today is the differences between Squeegee Squad and then most other window cleaners. So for us, we value reliability and consistency over everything else. Our operating model, predictable excellence, gives us an edge up on everyone else because we have standardized all of our systems. We also really value long-term partnership, and that's what we really want in our customers, is not just a vendor-contractor relationship, but one where we really get to know each other and we grow together. Last but not least, just understand that if you don't choose us as your window cleaner, that's fine. ask all of these questions of them, right? You need to know and be reassured that if you're using somebody besides Squeegee Squad, that they are doing all of these things as well. That way you're safe and they're safe as well, and everybody's taken care of. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you're interested in finding out more, please visit our website for our sell pricing tool and other videos. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a good day.